Earlier this year, Singapore released the Committee on Future Economies report. Building strong digital capabilities was a key recommendation, and one strategy to achieve this is to use data as an engine of growth. Singapore must therefore aspire towards a high standard of data protection that strengthens trust with the public, gives confidence to customers whose data is collected and used, while providing an environment for companies to thrive in the digital economy.
Therefore, a robust data protection regime is important to engender trust in our ecosystem and enable our companies to seize these growth opportunities.